I'm here with Mary Joy, and we want to learn a little bit about Mary Joy. So, Mary Joy, tell us where you're from.
Um, my name is Joy, and I am from Ilocos Norte, Philippines.
All right, and share with us your educational background, Joy.
I finished my bachelor's degree in management accounting, and I've been in the accounting field for 19 years now. 15 years working in the local companies and 4 years serving US as a freelancer serving US clients.
Okay, all right. So, do you have a 19 years of experience? Probably have a pretty broad range of experience. Do you have a specific area of expertise or one special area that you're particularly good at?
Yes, I'm in accounting field and I consider myself an expert in end-to-end bookkeeping, which means analyzing, recording, classifying, posting, and reporting. I also have experience processing payroll and sometimes filing of sales tax.
Sales tax, U.S. sales tax.
Yeah, but particularly in Virginia state.
Okay, well, most of the
Yeah,
states are very similar. All right.
yeah.
And so you've been doing this for 19 years, 4 years with U.S. companies.
Mhm.
What kind of accounting software have you used and you're familiar with?
Yes, I have certification in QuickBooks and Zero, and I have experience using both software. There is also a free software which is Wave that is exclusive for US and Canada. And I am very familiar with that software.
Okay, so you're QuickBooks certified, you're Zero certified, and you're
Yes,
also familiar with Wave.
yeah, yes,
Okay. And
yeah,
my experience as being formerly a CFO of a company in accounting, many of these softwares are similar in the way they function. Of course, accounting principles are the same no matter what.
yeah,
So
that's right.
you can pretty much work on anything once you become familiar with it.
As long as you are familiar with the accounting principles.
Right. Yes,
Yeah,
exactly. And you're familiar with the general accepted accounting practices that are used here in the US.
yeah.
All right, very good. Now, tell me, you're currently working with Step Outsource Solutions. And what kind of company are you assigned to for them?
Um, I'm currently handling businesses in the real estate industry, like short-term rental, long-term rental, and property management companies. I have also previously worked with accounting firm where I was assigned to manage multiple clients in different industries.
Hmm. Can you give us some examples of some of those industries?
Service-based industries like broker, real estate broker, mortgage broker, um, tracking companies. I also have handled preschool. Um, what else? Those yeah, more on service-based companies.
Okay, all righty. Now, for the company you're currently assigned to for Staff Outsource Solutions, what are you doing for them?
Uh, I'm SOS currently assigned to me a service-based client who is engaged in entertainment and mortgage. Uh, he is a mortgage broker and a real estate broker.
Okay, so three
Yeah,
different industries: mortgage broker, real estate broker, and music. Did you say
Enter-
entertainment?
entertainment.
All
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
And what are you doing for them?
Yeah, I do the bookkeeping. I manage the bookkeeping, payroll processing, and filing of sales tax.
Okay.
Um, if we say bookkeeping, that comprises the recording, reconciliation, analyzing the reports, and explaining the report to the client, give advice if they need some advice, like if they need to stop mingling their what you call that, stop mingling their funds in the personal and the business,
Uh,
so that it will make it
Right.
more I mean more it's easier for the bookkeeper to do everything.
All right. So you're not only maintaining records for them, but you're also guiding them into how to make the
Yes,
process work
yes,
and to be more accurate in their record keeping.
yes,
Is that, did I
yes,
say that correctly?
yes. Give them advice according to the GAAP rules.
Good.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
understood. All right. And what accounting software are you using for this client?
I use QuickBooks Desktop for this client.
Okay, so this is a remote access setup, not as opposed to QuickBooks Online, correct? So you are familiar with that process.
Yeah, they are almost the same.
Mhm.
It's
It's just a way
it's
that you access them that's different. So that's right.
mm,
Okay,
it's almost the same.
got it. And so, Mary Joy, is there anything else that you think is important to share with us about your background or experience or other skills that you may have?
Yeah, I can organize files in the folders in the Google Drive or any shared software for sharing, and I can do challenging works like cleaning up of really messy bookkeeping records. Yeah, yeah,
That's, I'm sure, is very useful because I'm sure you encounter a lot of that.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
All right. Matter of fact, I think, as I recall correctly, that maybe the current client or one client had some back tax filing issues, so you had to go back several years and organize to help them prepare taxes for back past year filings. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Good. Good. So you're able to do those things as well. Okay. Excellent. Outstanding. Well, Mary Joy, I enjoyed talking with you this morning and appreciate your time. And thank you for sharing with us.
Thank
So I hope
you.
you have a lovely evening.
Thank you, Ed.
All right. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.